Kia ora team, I'm Gemma Grant from Property Brokers Palmerston North, and you definitely don't want to miss out on this gem. Welcome to 35 Pegasus Place. Tucked away in a quiet cul-de-sac here in Kelvin Grove, this home is so much more than bricks and mortar. It is warm, welcoming and beautifully cared for. Ready for its next chapter, it's the kind of property that you can truly make your own. Inside, you'll find 4 generous bedrooms, 2 well-appointed bathrooms, wide, accessible hallways and an inviting, open-plan living space that flows perfectly for summer entertaining. Just imagine those summer barbecues.